If you want your AI generated content to sound exactly like your brand, then you can do it in HighLevel's brand voice feature inside of Content AI. You can write faster without sacrificing your tone, your style, or your message. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to apply it and how to get the most out of it. When you're working in any Content AI enabled tools like emails, blogs, funnels, or the social planner, you'll see the Content AI button. I'll show you an example over here. If I come over to marketing and create a new post, you'll see that any place in HighLevel that has this little purple button, which is the Content AI button, when you click on it and say generate with AI, you'll see this button over here where you can toggle on the use of the brand voice. If you do not have one already created, it will be toggled off with a prompt for you to go create one. But if you already have a brand voice, it will automatically be toggled on. When it is toggled on, you can then select the brand voice that you want to use. I have a pre-built one here called HighLevel. And if I come over to the right-hand side here, I can see a preview of the brand voice. The brand voice is the knowledge base that holds all your business's information, from your contact details to the mission of the brand, to the brand communication and personality, the identity and market positioning. So once you choose your brand voice, this means that the AI will be guided on the tone and the style of your brand, pulling information from there to then respond to the clients, to then use to generate, in this case, a social media post. And it's the same concept across all the different Content AI features, like Funnel AI. When I click on new here, and you'll see Funnel AI, click continue. And when I click on generate, it will again use the voice brand that I have created. Also, if I come over to email marketing, so marketing on the left, up to emails, and I create a new campaign. So in the email builder, you just come up to the AI button over here, and just like the content planner, click on it, and you can generate the email with Content AI. And when you click on it, again, just like the social planner, you'll be able to toggle on the use of the brand voice, select the brand voice that you want to use, and then use that to create your email. So you can see you can create multiple different brand voices and use it for all the different features individually. So let's say you use a brand voice for your social planner, but you want that to be different to your email marketing brand voice, for example. Then you can easily do that by selecting the drop-down menu and switching between them. Again, it is toggled on by default, but you can easily turn it off if you would like to do it manually. That's how brand voice can keep your content relevant, sharp, and aligned with your identity without slowing you down. So give it a try on your next email or your blog post and easily let your content speak in your voice.